and today we're going to be talking about how to have an effective prompt to summarize documents as a lawyer or a law student. I'm going to give you a very realistic example. For example, you have a case or a case order which you have received, or even, you know what, let's take a contract. That's a little bit easier. So you have a contract which you have to read, and going through that contract would be a little bit of time. It will take you a lot of time to do that. So instead of going on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or whatever you're using at this point and saying, uploading the document and saying, summarize this, I would say, and I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but I'm going to give you an effective prompt, is that you could say you're a senior litigation lawyer or a senior Canadian lawyer, or whatever jurisdiction you're in. You could use that and say that you're a senior lawyer, a senior contract analyst, or an attorney in your XYZ country. And even if you're a law student, you can ask and like, I am a junior lawyer, or I'm like mid, at this point. But like, if you say that a senior lawyer is going to analyze the document, it's going to give you better answers and more effective answers with that sort of experience. So you are a senior litigation, this is just an example, litigation lawyer. Read the following document and provide a summary in bullet points. Focus only on the key facts, the main legal issues, and any important dates or deadlines. Keep the summary under 400 words. So typing this prompt is going to give you much better results than just summarizing the documents, because your AI app or agent does not know why exactly and what is the purpose of you to summarize that document. So giving it a more effective prompt would definitely give you better answers, and it would stop your back and forth process of verification and that process of constantly chatting with the chatbot. And it would give you a very good summarized document on this basis. And you can also break down, another tip I do usually is that you break down the documents. So sometimes when the documents are over 100 pages, or sometimes even over 80 pages, if you do not have a pro version, it does tend to hallucinate and give you weird answers. So I would say maybe if you would want to break down the document yourself, or maybe you could even take the table of contents and then ask the chatbot to give you a fair idea of where you want to break down the document, and they would often give you more accurate results. So this would easily, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes of scanning. And sometimes if you're using faster versions, it could give you the same in like a few minutes. So this is a much more simpler way. Definitely comment below of what you think and if you've tried to use these methods. And do comment below. I could give you, if you were not able to copy, I'm going to put the prompt in the caption, or if you comment, I might send you a document. I'm going to try and cover more prompts in the caption as well, so please do check that out. And see you tomorrow for our next video. Thank you.